Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. Brozar here. So we're testing out Cookfest on the playtest. We're going through run 2 at the moment. Now, we did do day 1 on this, but unfortunately I don't have that data available. So we're going to be continuing the game from day 2. What we did was we went into the... If I just click continue, and I will show you in fact what we did. So as we load up for day 2, oh, it does take a little while to load up though. Right, so from this, where you're able to place the tables down, we can actually hit the escape button, and then we can just simply go to the main menu. And then we go, as you can see, there's a continue button there. So in actual fact, I'm not actually going to test this run myself. I'm going to give it to my eldest daughter, and she can have a little go and see how it plays out for her.
Let's continue that. Okay. Cookie tables. Oh, green.
Every time you haven't trusted me already, we don't know if that is actually trusting or not. We have to check it out.
And that. Nope. Why are we getting like no likes? Do they even like what? Why am I getting no money there? Bad. Okay. Day 2 complete. I can. Okay. Oop.
Got plates. We need a plate.
So I also might want some milk.
You need one.
Yeah, I'm going with milk. Oop. Ran into the table. Confirmed. Let's start the day. There's some milk people in the world. Okay. Then we need to there we go.
That's nuts.
Let's get this done with first, actually. Oh, do they like tomatoes? Kinda like regretting my choice. Don't want to be closed down. Yeah. What?
Okay, there. So one thing I did notice that she found it quite tricky navigating the WASD buttons. Obviously, having to have a look down at them, so the arrow buttons may be more adventurous when using this, and hopefully that's something they might be able to implement in future. Anyway, that is the second run, and I will get my other daughter to do the third run. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.